Hi and welcome to the word search puzzle app. My name's Ron Pumflet. In this video I'm going to show you how to obviously use the app and create those funky little PDFs off your web browser. So with most word searches we want to work in capital letters. So I'm going to go into my old script here that we used on the Halloween. We're going to copy those 20 words. We're going to go into our handy PHP tools, go to uppercase, submit the words, copy them, go back to our word search, enter them, generate the puzzle. Then we want to create the PDF because this has the words and for them to muck around putting the words in. And we're going to make sure that we got it as save PDF or print Microsoft Print. I like saved PDF. And do that. I'm going to save this as the word search. Yeah, we want to override it. Then we want to go to the show solutions. So maybe we need to come over here a little bit. Show solutions. And there we are. You can see those there. And there's the words as well. And once again, we want to do the funky PDF. Again, make sure that it's save as PDF. And with this app, you want to make sure you have the background graphics checked. Otherwise, if you uncheck it, you don't see where the words are. So make sure that you have the background graphics clicked. Save as PDF. We're going to actually make this one as word search P. Should be S, but never mind. Now, the other thing I want to do is we want to show you how to use I love PDFs. So wait one mo. So we're going to click on the word search puzzle. That's going to open up I love PDF at the same time. Sorry about mucking around, but we want to make sure that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I've got myself a little bit bamboozled here, so you actually have to click on the plus to add the second PDF in here, so which I've done now. I've got the puzzles and I've got the solutions, and then you probably can't see it, but it does say merge PDFs, so we're going to do that. Oh, look at that. That didn't take very long. It does. So now we have the word search puzzle, and if I click on this, we're going to open it up, and there's the puzzles with the word list, and there's the solution. Well done. Thanks for watching and listening. My name's Ron Pumflet, and I'm out of here. Bye for now.